what's up guys? This is Yamil with Traffic Jams Motorsports, man, the shop of the South. Hey, today we are going to do an unveiling of the new Radenso Ultimate Edition we just got in today. First one that we've received. We're going to be installing this on a 2018 Corvette Z06. We're very excited about this, man. This is going to be the first one we've opened. Obviously, you know, this is one of the baddest radar defense systems on the market. Top notch. Probably the best one out right there right now. Let's go ahead and get it open. The antennas, a easy install. It's pretty much how this install turns out, and